What's going on YouTube? It's Gear with Amir, and today we are covering the Samsung Special Edition wireless QI charger with fast charging. So I'm really excited about this one. Here's the box for it right here. As you can see, it's the wireless charger and the Special Edition. Not sure 100% what that means. I think it's just the fact that this inside part is blue, but whatever, I love Special Edition stuff, so I thought I'd pick it up. It's, the bag, it's pretty nice packaging. I really am excited about this charger. It's my first wireless charger that I've had, so like I said, excited to use it and try it out. So we can go ahead and open the box up and see what's inside. So I'll pop this open. And the first thing we're gonna have is gonna be the Samsung charger. It's a pretty good build. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which I like. So you can just kind of, plop it down on the table, and that weight is gonna help it from not moving. But the cool thing that I like about this is this blue ring around the outside is rubberized, as well as the back is rubberized as well. So not only is it going to adhere pretty well to my desk or my nightstand or wherever I place it, but when I put the phone on top, it should hold the phone up pretty well. And my case is kind of rubberized a little bit. It's a Speck case. This one right here, it's the Speck clear case. I just like it because it seemed pretty sturdy. It's designed for impact. They claim that it's quality tested and great for, big drops, all that good stuff. I just like that it's clear. But that's the case that I use, and it sticks pretty well to this wireless charger. Another thing about the chargers, it does have fast charge, like I mentioned. Now the iPhone X and or the iPhone 10, whatever, or the iPhone 8 or the 8 Plus, they don't have fast charging yet. So hopefully, that update will come out soon. But also it is only going to be 7.5 watts compared to Samsung's 15 watts for fast charging when it does come out. So just one thing to keep in mind if you're in the market for a phone, or if you really like fast charging, to check that out. Some other items in the box are, of course, we have the plug so that we can plug it in. I could probably put an Apple cord in there as well, or just an iPhone cord in there to charge that, as well as it has the cable to plug it in and charge it. So it's just a micro USB. USB-C would be cool, but micro USB, take what we can get. So I do like it. It seems pretty good build quality. I do wish this was black instead of white. No particular reason, but if this is gonna be black, why would you make this black? But whatever, I just think it's kind of tacky. The big reason why I like this is I can never find a charging cord. So whether that's, I can't find it because I lost it, or I find one that's frayed around the edges. You know how they get frayed around these edges right here, then they stop working because it's been moving around too much, or my dog eats it, or what typically happens is my wife will move it somewhere because she needs to charge her phone, but then forget where she moved it, and then now we're down, one cord, and we're fighting over the one cord we got left. So really excited that I'll have this. I can put it in one place, just pop my phone on it, and charge from there. So got the instructions here, but we don't read instructions, so we don't need those. What we'll do now is we'll go ahead and get it plugged in, and then we'll give it a test run and see how it works. So now we're gonna go ahead and give the wireless charger a try. I got everything out the box, and we're gonna plug it in and see how well it works. So I'm gonna get the cord. Of course, we got the plug, like I said. We'll get this plastic off of it. Don't need that. Let's throw that on the ground. So I got the plug, took that off, don't need that. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. It's always tricky to get the USB in the right way the first time. And then we'll plug that in over there. We've got our micro USB. We'll go ahead and plug this in right at the top. Let's see, which way does that go? There we go. Oh, another cool thing about this is it has an LED around the bottom, so it lets you know when it's charged, if it's working. And it seems like it's not too bright, so if it is on my nightstand by the bed, I should still be good. So it's not gonna keep me up. And then we'll go ahead and peel this off as well. It's always so satisfying to peel this kind of stuff off. We'll throw that down there. But now we've got it all set up. You can see here my phone, well, it just turned on, but I'm gonna make it dark. All right, so you can see there. And then we'll just plop it on and boom, there you go. It's charging. It works pretty well. Like I can just see myself just setting it on there. Like I said, that rubber really keeps the phone on there. So even if I'm trying to move it off, it's not moving. So like I said, I'm really pleased with this wireless charger. Can't wait for the fast charging to come out so I can charge my phone even faster. Even though I really like the X, it has incredible battery life compared to the 6S I upgraded from. But yeah, really like this. It works out very well. You don't even have to, I don't even think you have to get it all the way on perfectly. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, shoot for the middle and you'll typically be all right. It'll start charging. But yeah, like I said, it's the Samsung Special Edition wireless charger. Really excited, really enjoyed it. So I definitely recommend getting it. That's about it. If you liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Or leave me a comment, questions, any suggestions you have for me, as well as feel free to hit that subscribe link right at the bottom. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot more content, but for today, that's it. That's Gear with Amir. Peace.